Hello guys, today I show you how to delete or uninstall this program in the computer. So how to uninstall this program. To delete this, you click here, search the word control panel, click on it, see here, make sure this category here, match icon, it's a little bit difficult to find. So click on category here, click on uninstall program. So find this program, the program that I want to delete, this blue stake. So it begin with B, blue, yeah, here. So here, so uninstall here, click yes, just do waiting. Yeah, and this is the function. So I want to click uninstall, complete, here, empty here. Click on desktop, so it doesn't have. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.